Hi, my name is Vikas Mahindrakar. I have completed my BE in mechanical engineering. After that, I was preparing for the GATE examination, and after that, I chose this course of Imarticus Learning of a postgraduate program in data science and analytics. No, it was not difficult to convince my parents for this course and arranging the fees as well. After a thorough discussion with them and telling all the benefits about the courses, I told about the person referred me. After that, it was quite easy to convince them and arrange fees and all. Curriculum of Imarticus Learning is well designed. I think for the basic learners, it is really good. And talking about the trainer, they have one of the I will say the finest trainers. Fortunately, I was very fortunate enough to get trained under the one of the most experienced faculty of Imarticus Learning, that is Pranjal Mishra sir, and I am very thankful that I have been trained under him. The overall experience with the placement team was good. For me, it was not very a hustling experience, but sometimes when you are not getting placed early, it may feel like you are hustling there, and you are not getting enough opportunities, or maybe that. But when you have a word with the placement team, they will make sure that there is no injustice being taken place with you. Yes, I will recommend this course for the learners who are interested in data science and analytics. For starting their career in data science and analytics, I think this is a good opportunity. Yes, there are online courses available. YouTube also offers it, but coming here for the offline coaching, having a group there and physically coming there and attending the lectures, discussing your doubts with the trainer and with your friends, have a added advantage there. So I will definitely recommend this course to the people who are interested in data science and analytics.